Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. A bunch of new stuff from Vosteed, which is a company that we very much love. The knife community very much loves Vosteed. If you are newer, here's why. It's because of their ability to work with appropriate materials for the price points themselves, which are absurdly competitive, and their willingness to create their own locking systems or simply, apply locking systems that are super duper popular or just are a little bit more of what we expect on a modern pocket knife. They kind of check all of the boxes, and they also provide or create pocket knives at various price points. So really, Vosteed knives fit just about any budget, and they create some of the best budget knives in particular on earth. So I can't wait to open these up. I think I know what these are. I will link this stuff down in the description. You guys can check it out if you want to. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's up to you. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. Make sure your notifications are turned on for the Metal Complex YouTube channel. This is quality sealed. We're gonna open that. There we go. We're gonna open this up here real quick. I think, whoops. I think this is a new variation of one of my favorite budget knives of all time. Yes, it is. We will compare it here. We have the porcupine with, it looks like some diamond texturing here. And I think here, let me get mine out. I actually have two that I keep up here for comparisons. So my standard porcupine, the very first one I got, this has like a shiny, it's not a satin, it's got like kind of a lightly reflective stone wash on it. We have the forest green with the crosshatch pattern. Very cool. I believe this is exactly the same thing, just a slight variation here. Are these still $69 giggity? They should be. They should not go above budget territory. As long as they remain to be at $69 or less, these are still some of the absolute greatest budget knives of all time. Namely, ergonomic lines, their ability or their ease of manipulation, etc. But a lot of it is the button-operated top liner lock that's being utilized as the locking system here. Not only does it, maintain the fidget factor of a plunge lock, but also, in addition, you get the reliability and strength of something like a top liner lock versus the weakness of a plunge lock. So very cool, new variation right there. Now we have some other new variations of this knife here in these cool, this makes me think of 90s Nickelodeon, right? Just like stuff. Like when they would do like like the title cards for Rugrats, and there's just like stuff. Blah! Like it's, 90s Nickelodeon was just like, hey, just shapes and colors and noise. Actually, 90s Nickelodeon had some of my favorite cartoons ever, I'm sure, judging by the age demographic of this channel. Boy, these boxes here, we're going to have to use, there we go, have to use some veteran tricks there. But yeah, that's what it makes me think of. Another variation of the porcupine here. This is actually really cool. I don't know what all is going on here. It is stuff, right? But it's pretty cool. So this is, it doesn't tell me what the material is. I'll let you guys, I'll have this all linked in the description. It doesn't feel like G10, but there is there's some subtle texture to it. Perhaps it is G10, perhaps it's not. Outside of that, it is the porcupine here, 14C28N, and the wire clip, obviously ambidextrous mounting positions. Kind of a cool aesthetic here. We have, this is a different knife. The same box, but this is a different knife. Let's open this one up. I think we're going to have to use my special, you almost have to pry that tab out there so you don't rip the box. This is the Korg, it says Korg V. I thought this was called the corgi. So this is the Nickelodeon title card version. I'm sure they have some other, more accurate wording for it. But this must be the corgi with the Vanker lock. So this would be the button operated. It's a pivot locking system, but it is exclusive or it's a proprietary locking system created by Vosteed that is very strong, very good, very high fidget factor there. But the corgi is also a really good knife. I've reviewed this knife, definitely. A nice combination of aesthetic there. 14C28N. I believe these are going to be slightly less than the porcupine. And then what do we have here? Is this another? Oh, this is yet another variation. What do we call this as? I mean, I'm sure it says on the website what it is actually supposed to be, but whatever it is supposed to be, the vibe that it's giving me is 90s nostalgia. There we go. The last one here is the Marten, which I also have the aluminum version of, and I really, really like that knife. This, I wonder what blade steel they chose, because they didn't change. I feel like it's the exact same material. We have steel liners underneath, and then this is in 154 cm. So I'm not sure how they're going to price that one. This is also a button-operated top liner lock. The Marten is a very good mid-range knife. This is the standard version right here in the blue textured aluminum. Oh, and this is the larger Marten. So this is the smaller one in 14C28N. Even with this being 154 cm, I would still hope that this guy comes in under $75. They do have the larger one on their website that is contoured and textured aluminum with 154 cm for the blade. Smaller guy here. So these guys are going to be the largest, followed by the smaller Marten, and ultimately the corgi. All good knives, all great examples of knives that Vosteed makes that the community really enjoys. But a lot of exactly what I was talking about. Still very utilitarian, still very compact, lightweight, easy to manipulate, safe, all of that. But it's the combination of everything and still being able to do something a little bit different, and then charging prices that are fair and in some cases extremely competitive. To this day, at least out of all of the stuff that I have handled from Vosteed, I don't think they actually make a bad knife. I don't think that there's anything in their catalog, so to speak, that is bad or that functions, that doesn't function properly. These are knives created by knife people, right? They're obviously a business. They want to sell products, but these are people who are heavily woven into the community, and it's very, very obvious. So super cool stuff. This is not a review today. It's just an unboxing and first impressions. I'll link all of this stuff down in the description. Since I own multiple variations of the porcupine and Marten already, I'm sure that I actually have a corgi somewhere as well. But all of this stuff will end up as giveaway stuff during my live streams, which are usually, by the way, if you're trying to figure out my live stream schedule, it's usually Friday evenings at 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And I, most of the time I'm giving away a lot of the stuff that I get for free as a content creator. So yes, you can expect to see this stuff for sure. Thank you again to Vosteed for sending this in for me to share with everybody. I'll have the links for these down in the description, and you guys can check them out if you want to. That's going to be it. Where's my card? It's buried. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.